Hello, welcome back to another biometrics integration episode. Today, I am going to show you how to set up Python Django Biometric registration application in the PyCharm Community IDE. On our desktop here, you can see the icon for the PyCharm Community IDE. So let us get started. I will double click on it to open the PyCharm IDE. But if I call it PyCharm IDE, I mean the PyCharm Community IDE. So there we go. The first step that we are going to do is to come over here. See this bit here where we have new project. We click on new project and then we click right inside here and delete that and delete Python project 1. Then we type Python Django Biometric Integration with HID. So this is the full name, that is a Python Django Biometric Integration with HID DigitalPersona 4500. That was the first step. Now to proceed, we need to click this button here and then we say create. By the Python version that I'm using is Python 3.13. So out of the many other Pythons that I have installed in my computer, I chose to go with this Python 3.13. As you can see, it is a 64-bit Python. So we click the create button here. We click on the create button here. Observe what happens. Let us now move on to step 2. But I would like to maximize this ID so that it takes the full screen. So I'll just click here. Now in step 2, we are going to install Django. So to do that, I will come here at the terminal. See this bit here? So I'll click on it. And then I type pip install Django. Pip install Django, then I press enter. So right now it is installing Django. You will need to have your internet running on your computer for you to be able to accomplish this step. It looks like it has completed. If you check here, you will see that it says successfully installed Django 5.2.5. We have now completed the step 2 where we were installing Django in PyCharm Community IDE. Let us now proceed to step 3 where we will create a Django project. To do that, we will need to be in the terminal. So let me first clear this bit. Then to create a Python Django project, we are going to type Django dash admin space start project, and then we give it a name like what name do we give it now? Let's do something like Django underscore bio underscore reg for registration underscore HID underscore DigitalPersona underscore 500. Yeah, let's give it that name. That is Django underscore bio underscore reg underscore HID underscore DigitalPersona underscore 4500. So this is what is going to be our Django project name. So let us press enter. So as you can see, the application has actually been created on this path. Maybe I can be able to scroll all the way there. So let me do dir. Yeah, you can see here it is. That is Django underscore bio reg. Sorry, as it is Django bio reg HID DigitalPersona 4500. There is the Django project that we have created using our PyCharm Community IDE. So that is what we were doing in step 3. Let us now move on to step 4. In step 4, now we need to create a consultants app inside this Django project folder. To do that, I'm going to type Python manage.py and startapp, and I type consultants. Then I press enter. So before I press enter, you can see we have Python space manage.py space startup space consultants. I press enter. You can see that we now have this folder here called consultants that is just created after I ran this command here. So okay, let me first push this up here so that we have more space to operate on. So as we now have this folder here that came about after we ran this command here, that is Python space manage.py space startup space consultants, to create a consultants app inside the consultants Django app inside our Django project folder. Is Django project folder here, that is Django underscore bio underscore reg underscore HID underscore DigitalPersona underscore 4500. So we just created a Django app inside our Django project, and our Django project is inside our Python project that was created by PyCharm Community IDE. Let me expand the contents of this consultants folder so that you can see what is inside. That is what we have. These are the contents of this is the structure of our app. As we have the gauge.py, we have the test.py, we have the models.py, we have the apps.py, we have the admin.py. Yeah, that file there. The purpose of creating our consultants app was so that we'll be able to create the skeleton of where we are going to run our Python Django Biometric Registration application using HID DigitalPersona 4500 fingerprint scanner. In the consultants app is where we're going to have our model and the logic of the Python Django Biometric Registration application that we are going to create. Remember, this Python Django Biometric Registration app is powered by the HID DigitalPersona 500 fingerprint scanner.